Hey there guys, it's Phone Tech Kid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to root any HTC One M8 and also how to unlock the bootloader and install the recovery. Now this is going to be a really easy video, but you will need your computer, a USB cable, and of course your HTC One M8. So I will have two links down below that you should have installed, and once you run one of the links which will give you this pop-up, the first thing we're going to do is basically it has a list, and we're going to of course go in this order. So we're going to start off by highlighting the first option and clicking OK. Of course it's going to give us some background information about what we're about to do, or it's going to give us some direction. And right here we're going to install the HTC drivers. Now I already did this, so you're going to install it, and once you've downloaded you're just going to run it. So of course it installs your HTC drivers. Now this is the first part, really easy step. The next step is we're going to have to register on the HTC website. So we're just going to click OK. It's going to take us here, and you have to register and sign in. Make sure to log in. That's a very important part. As you can see, I'm already logged in, but definitely make sure to log in because that will come in effect later on in this video. The next step that we will have to do is we are going to have to get our token. So basically what this is, it'll give you again some information about it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my phone so you could see what's happening during this process. So let's go to our phone. So what we're going to do here is we're basically going to go into our settings, and we're going to scroll down to About Device, and once I get down there, we go to About, and then we're going to go to Software Information, we're going to go to More, and then here we're going to go and click on Build Prop or Build Number until we get a pop-up that says we are now a developer. What we're going to do now is we're going to click into Developer Options, click OK, and we will enable USB debugging. After that, once you've done that, we're going to connect our phone back to our computer, and let's head back to the computer screen. So as you can see, our phone is connected, and we're now moving on to the next option. And in this option, it's going to tell you that two screens are going to pop up. When we click it first, it's going to take us to the bootloader, and then the next mode, it's going to ask us to copy a key. So we're going to click X, and we'll have to copy a key now. So once you boot up into bootloader mode, we're going to click X, and as you can see, I did have to hide my key for safety reasons, but you're going to copy everything from identifier token start to identifier token end. So basically to copy it, what you're going to have to do is right click and then choose mark and highlight your mouse across that whole area that I said to, and then we're going to click CTRL-C. And basically what that's going to do is we're going to copy it, and after that we're going to move on to the next step, which is to go to the website and plug this key in. So definitely move on to the next step if you have the key copied into your clipboard. So as you can see, it says it's going to take us back to the website now, and as I said, it is vital that you are logged in. So once we get back to the HTC website, we're going to scroll all the way down until we get this box where we're going to copy and paste our number. Now one thing I did notice is there's actually two lines that it doesn't copy. That might just be on my computer, but make sure yours looks like the example that they have above. The numbers don't change any of that, but there should be a line of text on the very top and the very bottom that will say insert key and end the key. So make sure to copy those two lines exactly how they are and add them to your box. Now once you've done that, we'll get back to the video and we're going to click enter. So as you can see, we're now done, and we're going to click submit. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to email it to whatever email you registered on the HTC website. Now here I am at my email, and you're going to get this little zip right here. Make sure to download it, and we will need this later when we are unlocking our phone's bootloader. So once we're done with that step, we're going to go and actually install the zip. So as you can see, we are going to have to lose all our data, so do make sure to back up. But as you can see, I did download it from the internet browser, and there it is. We're just going to click on that, and it will do everything else. Now you do have to pay attention to your phone, as what it should do is boot you into this menu that will ask you if you are sure you want to actually unlock your bootloader. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click volume up, and it's going to take you to the first option, and you're going to click power button to select it. Now once you've done that, it's going to reboot your phone, and let's just wait. It should take a while, don't worry. So once your phone is rebooted, we are now going to install the recovery. Do make sure to set up your phone and enable USB debugging, and as you can see, it will ask us right now actually to also do that. And make sure to delete all the other command prompts, or the new page will not open up. So as you can see, there it is. It's telling us to make sure to enable USB debugging, and the first window that pops up will take us into bootloader mode. Once you're taken into bootloader mode, click X, and this new pop-up should install the new recovery for us. After that, we're going to click install root, and it's at the very bottom option, and just follow it again like we followed all the other steps, and it will boot you straight into twerp recovery. And once we get into twerp recovery, we do have to install it ourselves. So we're going to go to the install section, we're going to navigate down to the Super SU app that it put on here, and then we're going to slide to install it. So give it a little time, it should install fairly quickly. And then we're going to go to system, or in reboot, just reboot back into your normal phone. It did have a couple of pauses, but that just might be since it's an early twerp version for our devices. But give it some time and it will boot up. So my phone did boot up, and if we navigate through our app drawer, as you can see, we do have Super SU. And it should be working fine. You can install root checker just in case. And guys, this was a quick video to show you how to get root access and Super SU on your Android device, or your specifically HTC One M8. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for future ROM reviews for the HTC One M8, and thanks for watching.